Cousineau, one of the Cousineaus, and Noah Morgan in the 2008 of Chase Cousineau taking it up to the high side of the track. We got our number 3, that's Jaden White. He's decided to go a little off track. Cousineau's never wanted to follow the rules, along with that 66.5 of Logan Stevens. Hey guys, remember that time I told you we were going to keep you where it was kind of dry? 2008 Chase Cousineau, he's back on the attack with the 66.5. Here comes little brother Carson in the 132, the 2 Cousineau, the new Bash brothers meeting at center track. Neither one of them want to give an inch. Noah Morgan playing over in the mud with Lightning McQueen. Young Aiden Robinson, he is out for a Sunday drive. Cheer on your favorite. These kids are working hard, getting it done. Big hit between the 15 junior and 66.5 on the 1508 of HBK Motorsports.
James is doing a little sandbagging out there now.
Grab a little bit.
Kick her just up.